The Napoleon of crime.
There's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law, breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakey stare. But when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there. McCavity's a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake! McCavity, there's no one like McCavity, for he's a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in a square, but when a crime's discovered, then McCavity's not there. He's outwardly respectable. I know he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any files of Scott and yards. And when the light is looted and the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pig's been stifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken, and the trellis past repair, there's the wonder of the thing. McCavity's not there. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. Whatever time the deed took place, McCavity wasn't there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Mungo Jerry, Rumpelteazer, Griddlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls the operations.
The Napoleon of crime.
McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He's a fiend in human shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in a square, but when a crime's discovered, McCavity.
Discovered then.
McCavity's not there.
Ah! Magnifique!